guys, this is Josh from Second Chance Hunting. Know it's been a couple days since we talked to y'all or released anything, and obviously it was due to the holidays, so I hope everybody had a good and safe holiday with their families. It's my birthday today. I'm a New Year's baby, so happy birthday to me. Turned a big old 35 today, so yeah, that was pretty cool. Really what I'm on here to talk about is we got the chance to go to Montana this past season, and I'd like to show you guys a prairie dog video that we're about to put out. And we had a successful hunt in one of the days in camp on a mule deer, and we decided to fill in the time in the middle of the day by getting rid of some prairie dogs on a farmer that had a huge prairie dog problem. So yeah, we drove out to the field, and all you saw was nothing but thousands and thousands of prairie dogs, and probably went through a couple boxes of shells, and it was a blast. And you're also helping the environment and the animals. So yeah, if you ever get the chance to go out west, just go do it, man, because it's fun. And not only this prairie dog video, but we got a really good Montana video coming up, so stay tuned, because you're definitely going to want to see this. Some big bucks hit the ground. And yeah, if you like what you're seeing, help us up. We're just getting going, so if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear any type of feedback, and we'd love it if you subscribed and stayed on the channel and followed what we put out. So we try the hardest we can to put out good content for y'all, and I'll see y'all later.
Go ahead, Bill. Cowboy.
You on him?
It's my practice broadhead, so
Yeah.
if I destroy it, it's not going to matter.
Yeah.
But if it hits him, it'll kill.
God, he's big, fat.
Which
Look
one,
at that.
Dad? Oh, that one.
Right, straight ahead, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just ease up there. Oh, little fucker squatting down. Get him peeking. Josh, you gotta stop. Yeah, that's too close. You usually want to try to shoot him, but yeah, he's too close. 30 yards is always really, you can really test your shoot skills. Oh, he's point blank. Oh, is he looking at a different one? Just gonna shoot and stretch the field a little bit. Sure which way he's looking at. He wants to shoot. There's the one that's directly in front of him.
And he ain't looking at that one.
No. Got a little further.
I think there's 2 holes in front. I think it's the second hole.
Yeah. And we had one to the right too. Hopefully maybe I'll see that one too.
He ain't even fucking looking that way.
Oh, we got him. I think he got the little f***er. I see him spin around. I was looking too. Oh, that's funny. Oh, you shot right below him. You're a little low.
Yeah.
That's all right. That's good practice, man. Like I said, you're in line. Look at him. He's like, "Fuck you. You can't hit me. You suck." It
Little bastard. Morning, folks. It is the start of day 2. Shoot the one that's on top of the hole. Hold on, hold on.
I didn't see him.
Hold on, let me make sure. Hold on.
Oh, that little motherfuckers went in.
No, there's one. Hold on.
Oh, there he is. See him standing? Smoke the lever.
Hey, hit the one to the right. There's another one. Oh yeah. You see him standing up? He's done. Look, there's another one right beside him. Oh yeah, you killed them both. Look at this dumb. He's still standing there. Idiot, I should have brought my bow over here and shot him. Oh, look at that.
Tore his head off.
Oh, there's Dad's first one. Hey Dad, look at this one. Look at this fucking meat sack. No, look at this one.
Yep.
Well, Deadeye's on a roll this morning. Christ, God forbid he had another deer tag in his pocket. Something else would die quick. Good shooting. Shut up.
That got carried out right there. Right out your window right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Oh, you blew that up good. And if you want me to turn a harder, or like turn,
Yeah, I need to come
okay, do
back
that
this
first.
way.
Yeah. He's still up.
Yeah, he's still standing straight up.
Oh, you know that fucker dead.
God, I should have plugged my fucking ear.
Yeah, that was a ear.
Oh, I can't hear a fucking thing.
But you got video.
Shoot the prairie dog.
Shot enough.
Shoot him. Shoot that one on the top of the hill.
You got enough angle here
There.
without shooting the mirror?
There. My ears are covered. You're good. Hit that one standing right on top of this hill. Are you going light mound or dark mound?
The big one.
Which one? Okay, yeah, big mound. All right, good. Whenever you're ready.
There you nailed him. Fucking pow! That was nice shoot.
Yep.
There we go.
4. Okay, I am ready.
Oh, nailed him too.
Dead. I see 2, 3, 4. The fucking one jumping.
Oh, you got blew him up good. Oh, you got another one waiting
there's
for
4.
you.
There's 4
There's
of
one
them.
left.
Bill, there's 4 of them.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me find this barbed wire.
There you go.
See to the right of the barbed wire.
Yep, just to the right of the barbed wire. That's the one. You want me to move the car a little bit? Can you see if you can steady up?
Missed him.
Oh, okay. Let's.
Oh, there's 3 of them right
Here.
there.
Now,
I thought you were right behind.
Dad, you have 2 shells in there.
So there's another one right by the barbed wire. That's the one I thought you were shooting at. I mean,
That's the one I thought he was shooting
like
at
the
too.
close one. We're not way over there. He's way.
Dad, now look to the right of the barbed wire. He's standing straight up. He's not on a hole. See, just to the right of the barbed wire.
There. Oh. There.
Missed
That was
him.
Right. Oh, there. He's wanting you to shoot him. Look at him. He says, "F you, you suck." Oh, he's bad mouthing you.
Yeah.
Oh, again. Oh.
Dude.
It's tough to see. There he is moving around. There that little prick is. Oh, he's wagging his tail. Laughing at you.
Jesus.
Okay, you gotta slow down and get on. He's still standing there.
Give me another shell.
Jesus. Dad, kill this fucking thing. Jesus Christ. Now he's running away again. Fuck you, you can't get me.
Did he? I thought he called you a bitch.
Yeah, he did call him. He said, come on, I'll stand up for you. Your aim sucks.
Aim at the base of the feet.
Yeah.
Where did he go?
He disappeared on me. I can't.
Oh,
Hold
there's
on.
2 of them to the left of that now. Oh, you got that one.
Yep, you got that one for sure.
There you go. I guess the other one was too easy
Yep.
to try for a harder shot.
Give me another one. them all.
Where are you shooting at now?
He was too close.
Oh, see that fucker running to the right on top of his hole?
Yeah, that was his buddy.
Alright,
He was too close.
that one on top of the hole.
You don't want those easy ones. Oh, that f***er dived you.
Bastard. Hold on, Dad, we'll try and find a nice cliff.
Yeah, you're starting to badmouth you pretty good until you correct.
Oh, he's standing up on top of his hole.
Oh, there
Hold
you
on,
go.
hold on,
Yeah,
hold on,
I
hold
see
on.
it.
Yep, good.
Oh, yeah, I think
He's done. You rolled him.
you wounded him. Yeah. You gotta roll.
two
Oh, yeah, he's
more out
flopping. See him flopping?
Yeah, he's dead.
No, you hit him. He's kicking right now. Oh, yeah, I think
He's done. Yes, it's our girl there. Nicknamed her Bella. I don't know what her name is, but she is a cutie. What's up, sweetheart? Come here. Let me get some footage of you too. Come here. Don't be camera shy. You're cute. Yep, and that's the other house kitty. She's a little more harder to get, as you can see. But yeah, this is the lodge.